Imagining a soldier facing down a fire-breathing dragon. I don't know how to make it real before, but until now. Today I will take you behind the scene of how I make a soldier vs dragon combat game in Scratches. But this isn't just a tutorial, it is the story of what I learned on breaking down complex mechanics into small pieces. Step 1. Create a new Scratch project and prepare my sprites. Bye cat, not this time, I don't want to get burned. Okay, I need a background, soldiers, and a dragon. Done. Then, how can we keep tracking the game? It comes to the step 2, create health and stage variables. Adding soldier health, dragon health for showing each character's current health. Turns for whose turn it is, and soldier defense, dragon defense, soldier actions, and dragon actions for what each is doing. Okay, I got all the layout, but how can I make it as a combat game? First of all, set all the variables with a starting value. When green flag click, set soldier health to 100, set dragon health to 100, set soldier defense to none, and set dragon defense to none. Set turns to soldiers, dragon who attack first. Broadcast a custom message soldier turn to kick off the start turn. Hey soldier, attack! What? I don't understand. Hit the dragon. Because Scratch doesn't have built-in buttons, so I have to build 4 button sprites for choosing commands. So I create 4 sprites in Paint using the rectangle tool to draw the button, creating physical attack button, magic attack button, physical block button, and magic block button. Then position the 4 buttons on the stage. But in a turn-based combat, I cannot attack whenever I want. So I go to the code tape and add hide. Okay, now we got the button, but we cannot use it as a weapon. We have to teach the soldier how to fight. First, I set soldier sprite to be prepared for soldier turn. Go to the code tape in soldier. Set when I receive soldier turn. To clear previous defense, I set soldier defense to none. Then ensure soldier is visible. Make it shown. Showing all 4 buttons so player can choose by setting broadcast to show buttons. During the soldier turn, I make the button sprites appear for selecting the soldier's actions. For each button, add a click handler to each button to assign the soldier actions and control the soldier on click. Now, I click on the button. Nothing happens. Why? Because I haven't set any movement for the soldier. If you want to learn how to fight, first master the art of blocking. When soldier receives the command from the button, if soldier actions equal to physical block, then set soldier defense to physical block and broadcast dragon turns. Else, if I choose magic block, then set soldier defense to magic block and broadcast the dragon turn so to pass the turn to dragon. Okay, now that we have covered the soldier's defense, let's move on to the attack logic. I create a variable named base damage. First reset base damage to 0 to clear any leftover value. Then we check if soldier actions is physical attack. If it is, we set base damage to 15 to produce 15 HP of damage. If not, we check if soldier actions is magic attack. If so, we set base damage to 10 for 10 HP hit. And now base damage is correctly determined. But would the dragon just keep standing there and let you attack? No, it knows how to defend too. So next, we create variables named actual damage, setting it to 0 and check if the dragon's defense matches the soldier attack type. If they match with each other, actual damage stays 0 because the dragon blocks. Otherwise, we set actual damage to base damage. Then we subtract that value from dragon health by changing it by minusing the actual damage, clearing dragon defense to none since defense lasts only one turn. And finally show a text bubble for seeing how many damage has been dealt to let player knows how much damage is dealt. Finally, we check whether the dragon's health has dropped to 0 or below. If it has, we broadcast game over to end the battle. If it hasn't, we broadcast dragon turn so the dragon can act next, ensuring the game probably ends when the dragon is defeated or hand controls back to the dragon otherwise. Now, the soldier is well trained. He can attack the dragon. But that will be so boring if the dragon cannot fight back. So, when it is the dragon turn, we will have the dragon pick one of the 4 actions at random. We store a random number in the variable named ran from 1 to 4, and set dragon actions accordingly. Finally, we broadcast dragon choose to execute the chosen action. Now, dragon knows how to count 1, 2, 3, 4, but how can it act out the choice? This is just similar to the soldier logic. On the dragon turns, if it chooses block, set its defense, clear the soldier's defense, then check the soldier's health for the game over or switch turns. If it chooses attack, set the base damage a value greater than 0. Reduce to 0 by making use of the variable actual damage if the soldier blocked. And display dragon dealt certain damage. Then check health again for game over or return control. After endless of fighting, one must fall down. How can we make that? One either soldier health or dragon health drops to 0 or below. We need to stop all ongoing battle script and display who won. When we get game over, first hide all the buttons so nothing else can be clicked. Then check if the dragon's health is 0 or below. If it is, soldier says, I win. Otherwise, dragon says, I win. Finally, stop all scripts so the game completely ends. It seems like the game is almost done, but still something is missing. The effect. Now I'll add the hitting effect, so when the soldiers or dragon hit each other, it looks more lively. Now the game is finished and I can control the soldier to fight against the dragon. Thanks for watching. If you like a detailed step-by-step tutorial on building this game, let me know in the comment sections. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.